Alright guys, just a quick update on the Toyota Supra. I know it's been a long time since I vlogged on this, since I focused on the Supra, the old good old Mark 3. Today I gave it a good wash, just a quick, just a wash really. I haven't washed it for a while. It's been dirty for so long. I've been too embarrassed to film, so today was that day where I just got tired of seeing it dirty, so today I just thought, oh, whip out the camera. It's looking nice and clean. Give you guys an update. I know some of you have been asking. There was one guy that asked what's been happening with the Supra. Well, there's a few things have been happening with the Supra, and some of them are good, some of them are bad, but not too bad that the car doesn't move. It still drives, still here, but I must confess I haven't really done much work on this car. I've been keeping it quite low-key and parked for a very long time. I only drive it sparingly once in a while just to keep the wheels moving and all that kind of stuff. But today what I did, I just removed the roof as well after giving it a good wash. It's nice and clean. A few things in there. Yeah, it's still in good condition. Still together. But one thing I have been experiencing with this vehicle is that the engine light has been coming on intermittently when I'm driving. Today it hasn't happened yet, which is good, but normally it does, so I'm still waiting for it to. I know you guys want to hear the exhaust. Oh, I didn't clean down here, missed a little bit. Need to do that tomorrow. Touch it up some more. I'll probably put a cover on the roof this time around. What I would do is I'll show you under the bonnet. Where's the lever? There's a lever. I've got the lights half popped as well. You can do that with these. There's no special trick to it. And I can show you that before actually. I'll do that. I'll show you how to do the half with a pop light. You can have it fully open. Just a switch here. You just gotta turn the switch. So I switched it off now. And all you gotta do is pretty much switch it on, but switch it on real half. Just a very quick one, and stop. Oh, I went it too long then. But you just gotta catch it at the right time. It's about timing. Right there. So you gotta be real quick. Stop it before it goes all the way up, and it will stop halfway, giving you that squinty eye look, which some people like, and I do like it as well. And what I could do is I could have the parker on. The parker is the lower light at the bottom, right down there. That is a parker on this vehicle. There is no clear lens up here like some of them do have. This is how they came. This is how this model came anyway. It's a Japanese model. It has one long clear orange indicator lamp lens, and at the bottom you got the parkers. They look like fog lamps, but they're not. So what I'll do is I'll show you under here. Oh, the fan is on. This has electric fan. There's no mechanical fan anymore on this one. It's got a twin fan electric thing. Got one fan there and a second one over there, so it's got two fans, which really helps keeping it cool, because it's got it's got two fans. And with the shroud as well, it's got a fan shroud all the way around. I got a new battery since the last time you guys saw this this vehicle. I was having battery charging issue and the battery was dead. So put a new battery. It's been good so far. So far so good. And what else has been happening with this one? Oil was a little bit low, so I topped that up. But yeah, that battery really was a big issue. It was causing all kinds of things to go bad. Okay, so I got the roof off. I can continue driving. Okay, I will pause this. The wheels are offset width. They're staggered setup. The fronts are a little bit skinnier profile on the dish. The back ones are wider on the dish. Right there. Right there. So there is a little bit of a difference with the wheels. Now, let's give this a pull. Now, back in here in the interior, I got the fan on hot right now because it's pretty starting to get a bit chilly. We had a good sunny day today, but now it's evening. So yeah, it's starting to get a bit cold. So that helps a lot when you've got the roof off. Always have that heat fan on. What else is there? Oh yeah, so I've been having the engine light come on right here. It comes on. There's a fault apparently with the transmission sensor. There's a speed sensor what do you call it? It's a transmission speed sensor, not the odometer sensor, not the speed sensor for the vehicle, not the vehicle's speed sensor, but the transmission sensor. That's faulty. I did a quick scan, self-diagnostic scan, and that's what comes up. Now, I've got a little bit of an issue with that because there's not many parts available for this vehicle, so I have to search really hard to find a replacement sensor for this car, and hopefully I'll get the right one. It might be the same one as a Mark 4 transmission sensor. I might just try that one and give that a go, and hopefully it's the right one, because they have the Mark 3 and the Mark 4 share the same transmission. So yeah, I might just put one of them in and see what happens. That's been my issue with this car. Luckily it doesn't stop the vehicle from driving. It will still drive. All I do is pretty much switch off the engine and it resets it and restart the vehicle and it's gone. But it'll come back again. It doesn't go for long. It always comes back. And some days you're lucky, like today I'm really lucky. The sensor has not played up. It's been fine. But I bet you tomorrow it'll be back on, or later today. All right. I think there's people who are big fans of Mark 4s. Mark 4s are really good cars, Mark 4 Supra, I wouldn't mind having one of them as well. I'd like to have all of them if I could have all of them. But a Mark 3 for me is the one that I've always wanted, and I've got it. And I would like to just probably keep this one as long as I can hold it. As long as I can hold on to this one, I'll probably try and hold on to this one. And one day in the future, maybe I will get my hands on a Mark 4, get the 2JZ experience, or I'll just buy a 2J and put into one of these Mark 4s. If this engine dies on me, maybe that's what I would do. Engines don't last forever. They do break, and sometimes I've got a feeling that this engine is probably getting maybe a little bit old. It might need some new bearings. Every now and then I do get a bit of a knock. It could be rod knock, I'm not sure. It might be some early symptoms of rod knock, so I am not holding my breath on this engine lasting very, very long, especially when I start boosting it, which I plan to do in the future. I'll start boosting the engine, and I'll probably blow it up then. And then we'll be off to the rebuild shop. Rebuild, get the engine rebuilt, and maybe at that point is when I will just get a new engine, a 2J or a 1J, I'm not sure. Alright, it's time for some food, guys. I'm stuck here at the I might get some chips at this drive-through KFC. So yeah, it's maybe a moment right now to just yeah. So just enjoying the drive that I don't normally get to do, especially drive-throughs. Never been in such a drive-through, and it's such a long queue as well. It's like huge. Look at this, I've been in this queue for like the last 10 minutes, and we're just moving so slow. Anyway, guys, I think I'll end the video here. It's the end of our catch-up. We'll see you another day. I've got really nothing much to show today. I'm really struggling, guys. I'm really struggling with video vlogs. I've been out of practice. Just waking up the courage to do this sometimes is really difficult. Finding things to film, topics. I don't know. I'm really struggling. If there's anything in particular you guys want to see about this Toyota Supra, write in the comment section, and I'll see if I could film whatever that is. I won't be doing burnouts or anything because I've already got transmission issues, so that's not gonna happen. Upgrades, I'm thinking of upgrading the sound system. I'm about halfway done. I want to do some speaker replacement. I've done some of the speakers, but I'm not quite happy. I might do another replacement of the rear speakers and the front door speakers, which are the ones right in there. It's really hard to see, but there are speakers in that door right there, and at the back as well. In the back corners there are some speakers in there, woofers actually. I might do a video, maybe next time I'll cover that one, just show what I've put in there. I've got some 4-inch woofers in there, but they're not quite balanced. There's something wrong with the setup. I think it's actually speakers themselves. I think they sold me one faulty speaker. I can hear a buzzing noise from the left side rear, and that's really annoying the heck out of me. And I ordered these things off eBay, and I think they came from China, so that's a long way, and I'm not gonna be bothered doing a return. Yeah, I'm just gonna get new ones, and hopefully they'll send me the better one. But that probably will be on another video. I don't know when I'll do that video, but I will probably show you tomorrow when it's daylight again what the problem is. Okay guys, see you, I'm out.